everyone, I'm Priya Kaping and I'm here to invite you all for the Kabik Festival, the 6th Tripuri Tripura Halo Festival 2022 at Hadupa Hodrai, Telimara Khwai on this coming new year, 8 January 2022. Theme: One Vision, One Mission, One Identity. Do come and let's make our Halo Festival a great, successful one. Thank you so much and happy Halo to you all. Kalming Priya Kaiping Tuidu Binando Kwami Kichang Ama Sechimin and Reiki Chibarnelika Hongso Hima Kumtara Hongrang Katka Festival o Amati Hama Festival Ha the 6th Tripuri Tripura Halo Festival 2022 Amuna Changnu Hadupa Hodrai Telimura Khwailo Changati Ahun Ha 8 January 2022 Lo Changati Athi Machangnu One Vision, One Mission, One Identity. हमारे निहिमा फेस्टिवल होंगे चल रंकिन एकाइपिंग उनाव सोपिंग न ड्रिंकिन निकी हंकवाचंग न ड्रिंकिन हैप्पी हालो कीप हम थैंक यू सो मच हम बाय